This was a CD-ROM for TAFE students of IT Certificate 2, and we'll just watch the intro because it gives an overview as to what the project was about.
Multimedia is video and sounds and pictures and words coming together on a computer screen. Multimedia helps people to communicate, entertain, tell stories, sell products, play games, teach lessons. In fact, you're using multimedia right now. So where do the pieces of multimedia come from? Who creates all the videos and sounds and pictures and words? This is Multimedia Components.
I might just show you the help menu, a little bit of it anyway.
This is the main menu. Select Industry Perspective to see interviews with multimedia producers. Select Media Production to see interviews with various people who create the components of multimedia. Click on the Help icon to find out how to use the CD-ROM. Click on the glossary icon to access words and key terms and read their definitions. Click on the Quit icon to exit Multimedia Components. This is the Media Production screen. Click on the Main Menu icon to return to the main menu. Select an option: Design, Video, Audio, Programming, or Animation. Select additional options from the vertical list. Control the video by clicking the play or pause button, or by clicking and dragging the slider.
Might just exit the help.
This is the main menu. Make a selection.
So we'll just go into the media production area for the moment.
This is the media production section. Select options from the horizontal and vertical lists and watch an interview.
So we might just select, say, audio, for example, and maybe what hardware does the audio person use, and we'll watch a little video. There's a jazz disc.
I've got a CD player, I've got a couple of cassette players, I use a DAT recorder, other hardware, I would use compressors, effects processors.
So as the video is playing, the user can click on some of these terms, figure out what's going on. Some of these other areas have more than one speaker. So this area has 3 speakers, and we can find out, say, what hardware a programmer uses.
The materials I use to program CD-ROMs are Celeron 350, which I've got at home.
So again, you can see the definitions. This area here is a little audio activity.
This is the audio activity. Change the settings and listen to the results.
So if we listen to the original voice.
A scanner is a hardware device which allows you to input graphics and text into the computer.
And we can see that file size 517K. If we make it 8-bit and bring the sample rate down.
A scanner is a hardware device which allows you to input graphics and text into the computer.
So the student gets the sense that by playing with the different parameters or the different elements, they can make the file size smaller, but the sound is affected, and then there's a little piano as well. But we'll go back. It's also a graphics activity.
This is the graphic activity. Change the settings and view the results.
So for example, you can see if you get a GIF. That photograph as a GIF looks terrible, whereas the logo as a GIF doesn't look too bad because of the large areas of tone. So they can have a little explore with that. And then there's also this other area.
This is the industry perspective section. Select an option and watch an interview.
So these people go into a little bit more detail about the purpose of multimedia.
The Triple J website is primarily for the Triple J audience, but it also allows the audience to interact with the program.
So this CD-ROM, I worked very closely with a programmer who also was the screen designer, so that made the whole production a lot more efficient, and it was packaged with print materials and assignments for face-to-face as well as flexible learning for TAFE students.